Hello everyone. For today's video, I thought it would be neat to share with you 3 tricks that I think would be appropriate to perform around Halloween time. Just 3 tricks that I have tutorials for, and they just kind of have a spooky effect to them, or can have a spooky effect to them. I'm going to demonstrate the 3 tricks, and then I'll have the links to each tutorial in the description of this video in the order that I perform them, okay? So I'm just going to start, and I'll just have a spectator just go ahead and give the deck a cut, and then I'm going to get a pen and a piece of paper, okay? And I'm going to have the spectator go ahead and write down where we cut to, where they cut to, what card they selected. And they go ahead and write that card down. We'll even keep it to the side here a little bit. Give me back the pen. Take their piece of paper that they wrote on, fold it up, place it in this ashtray, okay? Now, the thing about Halloween time is that there's a lot of spirits and bazaar that are surrounding us. And in some cases, when people do select a card out of the deck, that they can pick a possessed card. And I'll show you, the only way that you can tell if a card is possessed is not by selecting it, because actually the card made you select itself because the spirits want to relieve itself from the rest of the deck of cards. And they don't relieve themselves by rising to the top of the deck. They actually relieve themselves by rising out of the deck. Sort of like that. And it looks like one card has risen out of the deck. The 10 of diamonds. Was that the card you selected? Now, if I did everything correctly, I think the 10 of diamonds is the possessed card. And we can also tell that the 10 of diamonds is possessed if I put it inside the deck and I completely lose it somewhere in the middle. You can actually summons a possessed card with a snap of the fingers. Just like that. One card will shoot out of the deck, and it looks like, yes, it is the 10 of diamonds. Now, there's only one way to get the 10 of diamonds to become normal again. We have to exorcise the spirits from the 10 of diamonds. And my spectator happened to have written down what card they selected, so hopefully they wrote down the 10 of diamonds on this piece of paper. And if we want to exorcise the spirit from the 10 of diamonds in order to make it normal again and be able to stay within our deck of cards, we'll just take our match and light the 10 of diamonds written down on a paper on fire, and the spirit should now have transferred from one medium to another. And there's only one way that they can tell us. So if we take these ashes and just glide them on our arm, it looks like they have transferred from the 10 of diamonds into another medium. And the 10 of diamonds is now free from any possession, from any spirits, and we now have a regular deck of cards that isn't haunted. And that's 3 tricks you can do for Halloween. The first one was the easy rising card, the second one was the shooting card, and the third one is ashes on the arm, okay? Please let me know what you think, enjoy, and have a happy Halloween.